Hello guys, welcome to Adventures RC. After a long time, we come again with Theron on the beautiful lake. So, wish me luck.
Good luck.
Here we go. I don't fall down. Oh, that was yeah, still works. It looks good. I built this boat in 2020 and now has lithium-ion batteries that they are better than the LiPo batteries. They gave me best results. And here it goes. He's very agile. Turn. It's really fast. Well, the lake is for us. Before the lake was full of lotus flowers, but now the water is very high and it's totally clean. It's perfect for sailing. I've never seen the water so high as now. Usually it's low. Backwards. It's not so good backward. It's not responding very well back there. But we need to change the rudders. The motor, the lights, everything is connected to the same battery. For the lights, I use a buck boost converter from 12 volts to 3 volts. And it's very useful. So all the LEDs are protected by the electronic circuit. Okay, and now from the city of Kaohsiung in Taiwan, we tell you thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
And here we go. All the fishermen move away. So now we can sail all over. Oh. Engage all over the pond. We are going to give one long turn. There are some plants under the water. There's only one fisherman on the other side. Don't scare the fish. And go all around the lake. the little pond. This is a small pond. This pond is only 6 blocks from my house. It's really so convenient. And here I come again. All around the pond. Good. Okay. Oh, really cut something. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Really? Say something. I'm here from the city of Kaohsiung, Taiwan. We are going to celebrate the Moon Festival. So this is the Moon Festival sailing. We wish you all the happiness for this Moon Festival and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.